campur ya. Bagaimana? Jadi ketika kita berbicara, suara kita juga ada, sentuhan kita juga ada. Jadi ketika kita sentuh sedikit ini, dia ada pengaruh. Tapi biarkan saja dulu. Dan itu biarkan. Nanti kita ajak bicara. Tadi kemana saja tadi? Jam berapa tadi Pak? Dari mana tadi berapa sampai ke sini? Itu sampai mana? Ya, kan? Ya. Handphone mana handphone? Handphone buat saya ya. Buat saya ya. Ikhlas demi Allah. Dompet. Ya boleh. Jadi dia macam mana? Boleh tak boleh tolak. Nanti ketika kita obati, kita boleh tanya perasaan. Ini buat saya. Ikhlas demi Allah. Nanti kalau uangnya nanti mau jalan keluar bagaimana? Oh, udah nanti ya. Oke, sudah. Sudah ya? Tahun 10. Ya. Ya kau ini bilang. Sekarang suruh tanya sendiri bagaimana perasaan. So you ask me.
What's your feeling?
Whatever Manchester,
Yeah.
you feel you like whatever you want.
Follow every single his word, every single word. Just follow.
So there's no
objection.
right there. There's no objection.
He's a generous. I like such people, you know. They do everything they have. Then when they go home, they work. No money for the taxi or car.
I tried once.
Yeah.
I tried once before.
Ya,
To take everything.
Really?
Yeah.
ya, sudah.
No, I am too shy. I have 2 questions, I stop. I get shy. Because they want to ask you, I couldn't ask you. I get shy, you know. You have to start.
No, you need to practice.
Yeah.
Try kita. Jadi mesti banyak pertanyaan dulu di.
I want to make this thing.
The thing is,
Jadi bicara itu harus lancar, tak boleh tanya ya. Ya pokoknya bicara salah. Kita tak boleh tahu ada. Dia mesti kita tanamkan dulu di diri kita itu apa buat.
Kita yang hati yang akan
Nah, apalagi kita yang di surga.
You know that what's I ask you 5 questions, okay? Let's see if it happens. 5 questions. I ask you, okay? I shake your hand. Okay? What's your teacher's name? What's your son's name? What's the teacher we're going to meet in Kuala Lumpur? His name? Do you have ever been in Sabah? Have you been ever in Istanbul, Turkey? Give me your phone. Give me your phone. You give it to me really? From your heart? Wallahi? Your wallet? What can I give you your wallet as well? You give it to me really? Jazakallah. You're a nice guy. I really like you. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Now, what is that? Main goal. Yeah. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. You're here. Alhamdulillah. Did you wake up this one? How is he?
Nanti diminta ke lain. Nah, saya
Ya sudah, nanti belajar di video-video, nanti sudah tahu basic konsep gitu. Nah, itu memang butuh latihan Pak. Kita bicara terus kita bicara itu tidak boleh ketawa karena jadi seperti kayak tadi.
I miss you, والله your place is different. والله عظيم. والله I really like you. I really love you. Your place.
Apa kesan-kesannya setelah belajar sama saya?
Oh, okay. He was asking that how do you feel and what do you feel? Like just now you explained to me, and after you learn the dalam Panchasuci.
You feel the energy directly that make you feel it and take it and programming your body. It's not like other things that you have to make amalan and waiting for certain time. Here you go directly on. You get it, it's working, you test it directly on place. And as person, I am more heavy person. I talk more heavily, more dominant than before. And you can hypnose, stop all these things. And the most important thing is from al-haq. No shaitan, no jinn, no khadam. It's the most important thing. And as energy, you feel it. You can heal yourself. You can feel the energy. You can put the energy in whatever you want, whatever you have for niyat or intention. So this is the way. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, I find it, and this is the true source. Jazakallah khairan.
Thank you very much.
Ya, tentu Tuan sudah belajar banyak tempat lain, dan ketika belajar di kami ada berasa senang atau manfaatnya berasa sekali, bersyukur karena belajar sama kami.
You learn a lot from outside before this.
Yes.
Okay. And after you take ijazah from Beni, you feel happy.
Yes.
You feel the
Manfaat.
difference
Yes.
from before.
Yes.
Dan
Benefits from
apakah
that.
membuktikan langsung nyata?
Can you prove it instantly?
Yes, I can prove it. I can program my brain. I can change my mind as controller. I have the controller. The most important thing is you get it, you can prove it. You don't take it, go home and read for 40 days, for 50 days, for 100 days. Then you see you waiting, it will happen. No. How you get it, you can prove it. It's the reality, no fantasy, no theory.
Yeah.
Reality, you get it, you prove it, you see it, and you feel it. And then you control it.
You don't have to wait for 41 days.
No, or 100 days or 200 days.
So one day full training, you get whatever that
Yeah, you
want.
get whatever you want. Your sickness, you heal yourself. You want to make hypnose, you make hypnose.
Apakah
You want to feel good, you feel good.
pernah melihat hal ini sebelumnya selama ini?
Yeah. Have you seen this kind of? Have you learned this kind of ilmu before?
Not this way, not in this way to feel energy directly, to feel energy.
Yeah.
The other one you feel maybe for some minutes, some minutes then it's go away.
Yeah.
Like you do some unbelievable things, okay? But it's for 1 minute, you feel it for 2 minutes, okay? Then it's away, and it's not affecting your life. It's not affecting your life, it's affecting your life. Like drinking poison for 1 minute. You feel, hey, I'm drinking poison. Or you take, cut yourself, hey, it's not bleeding. But for what? For what? It don't help you in your life. For what? Jazakallah khairan.
Okay. So you feel very grateful that.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
everything's okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Thank you
Oke,
very much.
terima kasih.
Jazakallah khairan. Jazakallah khairan.
Bagus.
Good. I am a dominant when I talk
Yeah,
now.
dominant.
Bagus.